What are the tax implications of using MTF? And how much can you actually gain or lose from a leverage trade? Let's look into marginal trading in action. First, we understand about the tax implications of MTF trades. Even though you're trading with borrowed funds, it's still considered a delivery trade, which means STCG, that is short-term capital gain, still applies on it if it is sold within 1 year
at the rate of 20%.
Also, the interest paid on MTF is not tax deductible for individual traders. So अगर 10,000 rupees का profit हुआ है और उसमें से 2,000 rupees interest pay किया है, then you still have to pay STCG on 10,000 whole amount
at the rate of 20%.
अब हम एक रियल लाइफ केस स्टडी की बात करते हैं जिसमें हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस समझेंगे यूजिंग MTF. Let's look at two traders, Raj and Simran. Raj has no MTF. He has a capital of 50,000. He buys stocks and gains 10% profit, that is 5,000 rupees profit. Simran, on the opposite side, with 5x MTF, her own capital is 50,000. Trade value is 2,50,000. Same 10% rise, so 25,000 profit. Interest for 30 days at 1.5%, so 3,000 rupees interest. So a net profit of rupees 22,000. Now let's reverse the scenario. If the stock falls by 10%, so Raj loses 5,000, but Simran loses 25,000 plus 3,000 interest. So a total loss of 28,000 rupees. So the lesson learned here is leverage multiplies everything, whether profit or pain. So we conclude that MTF can boost your returns, but at the same time, burn your capital if used blindly. Compare brokers, calculate interest, and plan exits. That's how pros use margin. If you have liked this part 3 of the MTF trading series, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow traders. Also, drop a comment as to which part you like the most. Happy investing!
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are exemplary and are not recommendatory.